Okay, speaking of dogs, I have stayed in some Airbnbs that we looked specifically that were dog friendly because I have dogs, and so I like to travel with my dogs. Do you allow dogs? And if there's a reason why, one way or another, you
So
chose to?
in the listing it says no, but I will consider it depending, like I get inquiries fairly often about could we bring a dog? And so I'll ask them a couple questions. If I'm satisfied that we're not, it's not a little hellion, then I will generally say yes, because I'm very dog friendly.
Yes.
That way. So I don't, like, as long as I don't think that there's going to be an actual problem, I'm okay with that, even though I've got it listed with no pets.
Got it. Okay.